Hi and welcome to Sreeja's vlog. In this video I am gonna show you how you can make a corn syrup. Okay, let's get started. In a nice heavy bottomed saucepan, cup sugar. Add in 1/4 cup water. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Pinch of salt, and that's it. That's all you need to make a corn syrup. So now what I'm gonna do is turn the heat on to medium and then just wait until your sugar dissolves. So just as I'm stirring it here, I can see that all the sugar is dissolved. This is the perfect time to now let this mix come to a simmer. So turn up the heat if you need to. And now we are gonna let this bubble away for around 15 to 20 minutes until we get a nice thick syrup. So now if you don't want to make your own corn syrup, you can buy different substitutes, like rice syrup and golden syrup. So at this stage just be patient, let it simmer away gently. So like I said, it'll take around 15-20 minutes. You'll notice that it is getting quite syrupy and it reduced down a lot. Let me show you how you can tell that it's done. If you put in a spatula or a wooden spoon, and it drops off really slowly and it starts to kind of almost form a line, it's getting thicker and thicker. That's how you know when it's done. Perfect. It's slowly coming off your spatula. That means that when you turn it off the heat and it goes cold, it'll become even thicker. Okay, so it looks like it's ready. I'm gonna turn it off the heat, push it over to the side, and just wait for it to cool down. So if you want to be really precise with this recipe, you can put in a candy thermometer, and once it reaches 230 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ready to go. My corn syrup has cooled down. Now all I'm going to do is just pour it into my jar. You can store it in whatever you like. Look, you can see already how thick it's getting. So there you go, corn syrup. Now you can store at room temperature for around 3 months. And I'm gonna tell you a little secret. I made this before and it did crystallize on me after a few weeks. So here's what you want to do. Pop it into the microwave, get it nice and hot, and those sugar crystals will dissolve and it will be ready to go again. Head over to my website for more recipes. I'll see you back here really soon for more videos. Please like and subscribe.